Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the presentation on our group project for the subject Extracurricular Experiential Learning Excel. The title of our project is Nursing Home Visiting My Noble Care Nursing Home Johor Bahru. Before starting this presentation, I'll first introduce myself and my teammates. My name is Yeoh Shu Hui, and we have Tan, Ong, Leng, and Wong in the group. Now, I'll do a brief introduction on graduate attributes. Graduate attributes are high-level qualities, skills, and understandings that a student should gain as a result of the learning and experiences they engage with while at university. Graduate attributes include 7 main attributes, which are communicating skills, thinking skills, scholarship, leadership and team working skills, adaptability, global citizen, and enterprising skills. With these graduate attributes, it enables the university student to think independently, communicate efficiently, act responsibly, and develop continuously throughout their whole life.
So what is the current weakness of the student graduate attribute? Firstly, poor of communication skill. It may due to the student have lack of confidence to express their idea and less of patience in listening to others' idea. Secondly, lack of global citizenship skill. Current student does not have the sense of social awareness. They think that it is not important to helping and caring the surroundings. Thirdly, poor in leadership skill and team working skill. Due to the pandemics, the students have lack of the opportunity to a physical event. And due to online study, the students have a poor relationship with other students. And now, what is the activity background? Through the visit to the elderly's home, the students have the opportunity to contribute back to the society by expressing their show care and passion for the elderly. The short present at the old folks' home may not make a big change, but students will definitely bring joy to them in that short time of period. A visit helps the elderly emotional and physical health and give them a sense of belonging. And now, what is the goal of the event? By rendering the service to society, students can alternative the surrounding of people and brings transformation in their life. And now, what is the objective? To improving the communication skill, team working, and social responsibility of the student.
This program targets 30 participants including 5 community members, and we will invite 2 lecturers to guide us for this program. From the newest SOP, MyCetera check-in is no longer mandatory to enter premise. However, we will check all participants MyCetera risk status and make sure all are low risk and no symptoms. Next is our activity schedule timeline. We will start at 6:30 am. All participants will gather at the Fabu bus stop to take attendance and having breakfast. After that, we will have a short briefing and then depart from UTM to the nursing home by UTM bus. The activity after we reach the nursing home are greeting the elderly, showing a performance and distributing gift. Next, everyone will be given a task to carry out. Our lunch time is around 12:30 pm. After that, it will be our free time to having a friendly chat with the elderly. Last, we will have a photo session and then head back to UTM at 3:30 pm.
Thank you, Ong. Next, this is the estimated expenditure for our trip. Basically, all the items are categorized into 4 categories, which are food for all the participants including students and lecturers, transportation fee, which is by renting a bus from UTM, cleaning tools including detergent, cloth, mop, sweeper and garbage pack, gifts and donation including crackers, masks, white bread and Milo, which sum up of total cost of 752 ringgit 84 cent. Next up, this is our monitoring and evaluation form. The purpose of this form is to evaluate our performance, which are categorized by 2 attributes. First one is communication skill. Firstly, able to communicate with confidence. Secondly, able to deliver ideas in a clear and effective manner. Thirdly, able to perform active listening. Fourthly, able to respond with respectable manner. Second attribute will be leadership and teamwork skill. Firstly, able to work together to complete a task. Secondly, able to distribute tasks to different group members. Thirdly, able to offer support and help to each others. Fourthly, able to communicate well between each others. Next, I will pass to Kai Sheng.
Okay, thank you, Leng. Then I will discuss about the improvement graduate attribute of our students through this event. We can enhance communication skills, leadership and teamworking skills, and also global citizen. Next, for communication skills, students are able to negotiate and reach agreement between the participants, organizers, and also management. And then they are able to exchange their ideas in loving and peaceful way. Okay, next, for leadership and teamworking skills, students able to build rapport, interact, and work effectively with others. Next, they are also able to lead and influence the members to obtain some achievements. Lastly, global citizen. Okay, student able to know the important that take concern about the world issues and then empathic and contribute to the community.
At the end of the program, we hope that this activity can be carried out successfully and achieve our activity goal, which is growing more graduate attributes among the participants. We also hope that this program able to inspire the UTM students to learn beyond academics. Thank you.